Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Yellowstone Fact Check. Do cowboys really can't get life insurance? Being a cowboy is a dangerous job, as displayed throughout all 5 seasons of Yellowstone, meaning getting insurance can be tricky. Taylor Sheridan's popular TV show chronicles the lives of the Dutton family, the owners of the largest ranch, the Yellowstone Dutton Ranch in Montana. The Duttons have numerous ranch hands working for them, well before the majority of them started looking for new jobs in Yellowstone Season 5, Episode 13, and some haven't made it out of the neo-Western drama series alive. Colby dies in Yellowstone Season 5, Episode 12, while trying to help Carter escape from the stall of an angry horse. The man distracts the untamed animal as Carter runs out, saving the young boy's life. Unfortunately, it costs Colby his life when the horse kicks him, instantly killing the cowboy. The characters are heartbroken over his death, and in the following episode, Ryan, Colby's best friend, asks Rip to tell him what exactly happened to Colby. Rip explains the situation, and to make Ryan feel better, he reminds him that cowboys can't buy life insurance. During Rip's talk with Ryan in Yellowstone Season 5, Episode 13, he implies that because being a cowboy is dangerous, they are prohibited from being able to buy life insurance. The sad reality is that Rip is right. According to Life Happens, those with high-risk jobs are often denied life insurance coverage. As Yellowstone has shown various times over the course of the neo-Western drama's 5 seasons, the life of a cowboy isn't easy. It costs Colby his life in Season 5, and it risks taking many of the Yellowstone characters' lives throughout the series. Ultimately, being a ranch hand is quite dangerous, and that is why companies typically refuse to give them life insurance. Other jobs, like police officers, roofers, loggers, and active duty soldiers in the military, also typically can't get life insurance. Cowboy culture is at the heart of Yellowstone, and no one better represents being a cowboy than Rip. Plus, no one loves being a cowboy more than Cole Hauser's character. He is constantly trying to keep the Dutton family's way of life alive, making Rip the perfect person to run the Yellowstone Dutton Ranch in the wake of John Dutton IE's death. However, Rip is scared that cowboy culture is dying. During the Yellowstone Season 5, Part 2 premiere, Rip travels to Texas with a few of the Yellowstone's ranch hands to transport some of their animals after a brucellosis outbreak. However, the trip means much more than that to Rip. The episode makes it clear that Rip is afraid that cowboy culture is dying, and he believes it's his job to keep it alive. Rip tries teaching a young boy about horses and expresses his fears to the other characters. However, the threat of losing the ranch overpowers any of Rip's other worries in Yellowstone Season 5, Part 2. The gritty, modern Western drama Yellowstone has captivated millions with its portrayal of the Dutton family and their struggle to hold onto their sprawling Montana ranch. One of the intriguing plot points in the show centers around the dangerous lives of cowboys and ranchers, with the insinuation that their profession is so hazardous that life insurance is unattainable. But is this dramatic assertion rooted in reality? Let's explore the facts, myths, and nuances of life insurance for cowboys. The show's claim: cowboys are uninsurable. In Yellowstone, the rugged cowboys working on the Dutton Ranch often engage in perilous activities, breaking wild horses, wrangling cattle, and defending the ranch against enemies. This rough and tumble lifestyle is central to the drama and tension of the series. The show suggests that the danger inherent in their jobs makes these men and women virtually uninsurable. While this makes for great television, it simplifies the realities of life insurance underwriting. Insurers don't outright deny coverage based on profession alone, but they do assess risk meticulously. Cowboys, like other high-risk professions, can face challenges when seeking life insurance, but outright rejection is rare. Understanding risk in life insurance. Life insurance companies are in the business of managing risk. When you apply for coverage, underwriters evaluate factors such as age, health, lifestyle, and profession. Cowboys like skydivers, race car drivers, or deep-sea fishermen fall into a high-risk category because their jobs involve physical danger. Specific risks associated with cowboys include workplace accidents, riding and training horses, operating heavy machinery, and working with unpredictable livestock can lead to injuries or fatalities. Environmental hazards, extreme weather, remote working locations, and exposure to wildlife increase risk. Lifestyle choices. Cowboys often live in rural areas with limited access to healthcare, which can influence life expectancy. These factors make it likely that a cowboy's life insurance policy will have higher premiums, exclusions, or other limitations rather than outright denial. Historical context. Insuring cowboys. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, cowboys epitomized the American frontier spirit, but their lives were fraught with danger. Life insurance was not as accessible then as it is today. Policies were often limited to urban professionals and wealthier individuals. Ranch hands and cowboys, who earned modest wages and faced high mortality risks, were rarely insured. Today, advancements in the insurance industry allow for more nuanced assessments. While cowboys remain a high-risk group, modern underwriting practices ensure they have access to coverage, albeit at a cost. Modern-day ranchers and life insurance. The realities for contemporary cowboys and ranchers are less cinematic than what's depicted in Yellowstone. Many ranchers are business owners who understand the importance of life insurance, not just for personal protection, but also for safeguarding their operations. Life insurance policies can ensure that a ranch remains solvent and operational in the event of an owner's death. Cowboys employed by ranches might face challenges if their employers do not offer group life insurance benefits. However, individual policies tailored to high-risk professions are available. Riders and exclusions for specific activities might apply, but coverage is not unattainable. Specialized policies for high-risk professions. Insurance companies cater to diverse needs, including high-risk professions like cowboys. These policies may charge higher premiums, reflecting the increased likelihood of claims. Offer accidental death riders, providing additional benefits for workplace-related fatalities. Impose exclusions. For instance, coverage might not apply to deaths caused during rodeo events or horsebreaking activities. Some insurers specialize in high-risk professions, making it easier for cowboys to obtain coverage that suits their needs. Comparing cowboys to other high-risk professions. Cowboys aren't the only professionals facing hurdles in life insurance. Let's compare their situation to other high-risk jobs. Fishermen. Known as one of the most dangerous professions, fishermen face higher premiums due to the unpredictability of the sea. Miners. Underground work carries risks of cave-ins and exposure to hazardous materials, leading to exclusions or surcharges in their policies. Pilots. Recreational pilots often see higher premiums, while commercial pilots may have more standardized coverage. Cowboys share similarities with these groups, as their risk is linked to their environment and daily activities. The role of health and lifestyle. While profession is a key factor, personal health and lifestyle play a significant role in life insurance approval. Cowboys who maintain good physical health, avoid tobacco, and have no significant medical issues may still secure affordable coverage despite their occupational risks. For example, a cowboy with a clean bill of health might pay less for coverage than a less healthy urban professional. Regular medical checkups and demonstrating safety practices on the job can further reduce premiums. Pop culture versus reality. The allure of cowboy culture, as seen in Yellowstone, often exaggerates the risks and struggles of ranch life. While the show dramatizes the challenges of insuring cowboys, real-life ranchers and cowboys are far from uninsurable. Insurance companies are adept at assessing nuanced risk profiles, ensuring that even high-risk individuals can access coverage. Practical advice for cowboys seeking life insurance. If you're a cowboy or in a similarly risky profession, here are some tips to secure life insurance. Work with a broker. Specialized brokers understand the nuances of high-risk professions and can find policies tailored to your needs. Be honest. Provide accurate information about your profession and lifestyle to avoid complications during the claims process. Shop around. Different insurers have varying criteria for high-risk applicants, so it pays to compare options. Consider group policies. Employers or professional organizations often offer group life insurance with less stringent requirements.